Relax, you're home at Quail Hill. Panoramic views and rolling hills surround our gated community. You're sure to enjoy splashing in our seasonal heated pool or relaxing your muscles in the bubbling hot tub. Your charming 1- or 2-bedroom home hosts plush carpeting and a cozy wood-burning fireplace for you to enjoy on cool winter nights. You can really make your apartment your home with custom accent walls in your living room. And delicious meals will be made in your well-equipped kitchen that features a built-in microwave. You can do laundry with ease thanks to your in-home washer and dryer, and phenomenal views can be seen from your private patio or balcony. Easy access to 580 allow for a quick commute around the valley. You will be ideally located near many restaurants, shopping centers, and entertainment hotspots, including mini golf and area parks, and within walking distance of several local schools, making our convenient location perfect for everyone. Stop by and visit Castro Valley's finest A+ rental community at Quail Hill. You'll be glad you did.